Hey, this is Aiden with Workman Firearms. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to change out the backstrap of your Smith Wesson M&Ps. Pretty simple, pretty easy to do. I'm going to walk you through how to do it. Let's get to it. So the first thing you're going to do when you come up to any firearm is you're going to clear it. Remove that source ammunition. Lock that slide to the rear. Physically and visually inspect that chamber. Inspect your magazine well. One last time, physically and visually inspect that chamber. All right, your firearm's clear. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the multi-tool that comes with that Smith Wesson M&P. Turn it to the side like so, and pull it out. Multi-tool is gonna come out. Now from here, all you're gonna do is you're gonna pull down on your back strap, pull it out towards you. It'll remove. Now this is a medium back strap, as you can see. In your kit, you're gonna have various different sizes. So all you would do is just grab that size that's gonna help fit your hand pretty well. Line it up. You're just gonna readjust it. Make sure you have a nice firm grip that actually molds to it. Once you've done that, all you're gonna do is you're gonna take that multi-tool, reinsert it, and then turn it. It's as simple as that. Another thing about that multi-tool, this is a pretty cool field expedient tool to always have on you. This multi-tool also punches out any of those punch rods that are inside your firearm, and it also helps with getting stuck brass out of the chamber. Just a good tool all around to always have with you. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.